Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix live girl option not showing up on your TikTok. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Now guys, if you don't have a live girl option, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First of all guys, press on the plus sign right here where you record your videos from. Then guys, press on live. Then guys, if you press on live, you will see live girl right here. You will be seeing live girl right there. But if you don't have this option, make sure I press on settings. Make sure I press on settings. Then scroll right here and turn on live gifts. Make sure you turn on live gifts. If live gifts is off, there is no way you can have a live girl on your TikTok live. If your problem is not solved by doing that, then go back to your TikTok profile, then press on the menu button right there, then press on settings and privacy, scroll down on the bottom and press on report a problem. Guys, search for TikTok live gifts. Press on what are live gifts right there. TikTok will bring you this information. Was your problem resolved? Make sure you press on no. Press on no. Then guys, make sure I press on need more help. Press on need more help. And right here, you're going to be talking from anyone from the TikTok team. Make sure you describe your problem, that you don't have a live girl option and you would like to have it. That's how you can get a live girl option on TikTok.